If you're thinking about trying ZetaForge AI, here are 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know, and why this might just be the best new AI software release of the year. Stick with me, because one of these points is something no other review is talking about. Before we dive in, you can try ZetaForge AI completely free from the first link in the description. No credit card required, just jump in and see for yourself. Alright, ZetaForge AI is a brand new multi-tool AI platform designed for content creators, marketers, and small business owners. It combines AI writing, image generation, voice cloning, automations, and even workflow building, all inside one intuitive dashboard. Sounds like a lot? It is, but that's part of the power. What stands out first is the speed. Compared to older tools like Jasper or Copy.ai, ZetaForge responds faster, and it feels more refined. This isn't just ChatGPT with a new skin. It's deeply integrated with task-specific agents. For example, if you're building an email funnel, ZetaForge doesn't just give you generic content, it gives you ready-to-launch sequences, complete with tone options and a visual flow editor. Second, the UI/UX is clean and surprisingly beginner-friendly. Even if you've never used an AI tool before, you won't feel overwhelmed. Each tool is guided and use case focused. Need a lead magnet, a landing page, a script like this one? There's a pre-built agent for that. Third, ZetaForge AI includes automations that usually require Zapier or Make.com. You can connect tools, trigger sequences, send emails, and even auto-post content, all without third-party tools. That's a massive time and cost saver if you're running solo or managing multiple clients. Fourth, the image generation tool is no joke. It gives you a mid-journey style editor, but simplified. You can control styles, themes, sizes, and use the assets commercially. No hidden terms, no weird licensing. Ideal for ad creatives or blog visuals. Fifth, the voice AI is actually usable. Most tools hype this up, but ZetaForge's voice cloning is sharp and exports in studio quality WAV format. That's huge if you're doing client videos, podcasts, or want to automate audio content. Sixth, it has live collaboration features. Think Google Docs, but with AI suggestions built in. You can write with teammates, comment in real time, and generate edits on the fly. Perfect if you're part of a remote team or content agency. And lastly, ZetaForge is built to scale. Unlike most AI tools that lock you into tight monthly limits, this one uses a flexible credit system with generous tiers and fair use policies. If you're serious about AI and hate surprise overages, this is worth noting. So, is it the best just released AI software? It might be. It's versatile, fast, and more thoughtfully built than most overhyped launches we've seen lately. ZetaForge AI is clearly designed by people who understand digital marketing workflows, not just coders experimenting with GPT. Don't forget, you can try it 100% free from the first link below. And if you're curious how it compares to other tools, I've listed my top recommended AI softwares in the description, all of which you can try for free as well. After testing thousands of AI tools, these are the ones I trust. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.